Hello, my name is Chris Cow. Today is August 14th, a Tuesday. It's my last week working on F-110 this summer. It's Tuesday, so I have today, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday left, 4 days. What I've been working on this week and last week has been implementing a lot of labs, so that's why you haven't seen a lot of new videos of the car going super fast or trying out different things. In fact, the paper we're implementing is something for scan matching. So Jack and I are implementing a lab for the course on scan matching. Once this is done today, hopefully, even if it's not done today, we're going to start working on the Pure Pursuit lab next, and that should probably take me through the rest of the week. But basically what this lab is this scan matching lab is the brains behind how do you take two laser scans and match them together, and in the process figure out how much the robot or laser scan has translated and rotated since its previous position. And so it's all based off this paper by Andrea Sensi in 2008. He's a Caltech professor. It's called an ICP variant using a point-to-line metric. ICP is the iterative closest point algorithm or problem. And so there's a shit ton of math which we're not expected to solve, Sam said. He said that we can probably use something like CVX pi or some type of convex. Oh, CVX pi stands for convex Python. Now it makes sense. Anyways, one of our flock boxes burned out, so I messaged Inertian, but they've been really slow at getting back. They got back, they asked me to send a photo, and they didn't respond after that. Additionally, I got this GPS module, got it off eBay, a Garmin one for like $30-something, normally use like $80. I'm plugging by USB 2.0, and I'm planning to use this on the car, not today because it's going to be raining, and probably not, maybe if I have time, maybe later this week, but probably since I'll be focusing on labs, probably on my own time. But what's cool about this is that we can use this outside in Penn Park and use waypoints, and hopefully the car can drive them. One thing to be aware of is that the GPS can jump, so the location of the car can jump, which is bad, because if it jumps, then all of a sudden the car will be like, hey, also I'm 10 meters in front, when it's actually 10 meters behind, and it'll fetch the wrong waypoints. Because if it's, let's say it's going this direction, right, and there's a turn coming up, if it thinks it's at the turn already, then it's going to turn left when it's not even there yet. So supposedly there's something in the ROS library, and there's a ROS package for these nav GPS things, that will do something called sensor fusion. And sensor fusion is where I guess you can take the GPS data and also take like odometry data, like the Vescodom information, and fuse them together so that's a continuous stream of information, which would be really cool. I talked to Yash from the Kumar Lab drones, and he told me that a lot of times these are done by like Intel drones, for instance, all the crazy light shows at the Olympics, those were actually done by GPS only. Maybe they had some type of GPS and odometry, I think he said, but the drones are not aware of each other. They're not that smart with computers on each one. If you think about it, that's thousands of drones. You're really going to put $1,000 computer on each one. That's going to be easy $1 million a day to keep costs low. So that's that. In terms of other things, this week, I'm moving into my new apartment soon, end of this week, and classes start, today is the 14th, and classes start on like the 27th, so literally in 2 weeks from now. NSO starts in a week, essentially. And something that I want to do is I want to take all these videos and edit it into short, like 10-minute videos, some type of documentary just about the process. It'll be great to show friends about the course. It'll be great to advertise the course. Might even be good for my recruiting or resume. So I may spend some time next week editing that together. And I'm still trying to think about how to make it as interesting as possible, because I can have a story just tracing through the steps, improving the car. That could be helpful. I can narrate it maybe. We'll see. But thank you.